long ago, before the earth and all things in it, there was only God. On day one, God said, "Let there be light." God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. On day two, God made the sky. On day three, God separated the land from the waters. And created flowers, trees, and grass. On day four, God made the sun, moon, and stars. On day five, the birds and fish were created. On day six, God made animals. And then he made people to be like him. He named the man Adam, and Adam named his wife Eve. God rested on day 7. He saw everything he made and said that it was good.